Air India to operate 3 weekly flights to London Heathrow from August 1, replacing Gatwick. Air India on Monday said it will operate flight services between Ahmedabad and London Heathrow from August 1, replacing the existing Ahmedabad-Gatwick route, and announced a partial resumption of services on domestic and international routes which it had suspended last month after the fatal Boeing 7878 plane crash. At the same time, the suspension of services on Amritsar London Gatwick, Goa Mopa London Gatwick, Bengaluru Singapore and Pune Singapore would continue till September 30. The airline said. The Tata Group airline had last month decided to observe a safety pause in the aftermath of the June 12 Boeing 7878 plane crash that killed 260 people. The partial resumption will see restoration of some frequencies from August 1, relative to July, with full restoration planned from October 1, Air India said. On June 12, the London-bound Boeing 787 Dreamliner began to lose thrust within seconds of taking off from the Ahmedabad airport and ploughed into a medical college hostel, killing all but one of the 242 on board and another 19 on the ground in the deadliest aviation accident in a decade. The airline said that the pause enabled it to perform additional precautionary checks on its Boeing 787 aircraft as well as accommodate longer flying times arising from airspace closures over Pakistan and the Middle East. From August 1 to September 30, Air India will operate flights 3 times a week between Ahmedabad and London Heathrow, replacing currently operating 5x weekly flights between Ahmedabad and London Gatwick, the Tata Group-owned airline said. Besides, the 12 weekly services that were curtailed on the Delhi-London Heathrow are being reinstated from July 16, with all 4x weekly flights operating from July 16 onwards, while the services on the Delhi-Zurich route will be increased to 5x weekly, effective August 1 from 4 weekly services at present. Air India also said that it will reinstate 2 weekly services on the Delhi-Tokyo Haneda route, which were earlier curtailed, with all 7x weekly flights operating from August 1 onwards, while the 2 weekly services which were reduced on the Delhi-Seoul Incheon route will be reinstated from September 1, which will see all 5x weekly flights in operations. As the schedule reductions taken as part of the safety pause had been implemented until July 31 and the restoration to full operation is being phased, some services initially planned to operate between August 1 and September 30 will be removed from the schedule, the airline said. Swipe left for next video. Air India is proactively contacting affected passengers to offer rebooking on alternative flights or a full refund, as per their preference. Air India apologized for the inconvenience, it said. With the partial restoration, Air India operates more than 525 international flights per week on 63 short, long and ultra-long-haul routes, Air India said. Latest blogs.